Malware. Harmful programs spreading commonly via internet, email, software, doing things you didn't consent to, especially tracking and data theft.
And spyware being highlighted as the most common type.
Right. Capable of monitoring deep inside your system, emails, keystrokes, clipboard, network traffic. And we saw those specific examples showing how varied the threats are. Bots forming networks, false anti-spyware using deception, hijackers forcing redirects, web bugs using cookies for tracking.
All pulled directly from the sources we reviewed.
And understanding this, just based on what the sources say, is really crucial for navigating the digital world today. It kind of raises an important question maybe for you to think about. How much do we really grasp about the everyday things we interact with online, like cookies, or just the process of downloading and installing software? Mechanisms the sources clearly show can be exploited for tracking, for compromising our systems. Recognizing these specific methods, the ones the sources detail, that seems fundamental to building real digital awareness.
Can scrape email addresses to build those huge spam lists, It can use keyloggers, literally recording every single thing you type before the application you're actually using even sees it.
Exactly, that's a key point. It can also grab sensitive data right from your clipboard. Like imagine copying a password.
Oh, wow, or part of confidential document.
Right, and it can even monitor your network traffic, trying to piece together things like usernames and passwords as you log into sites.
That level of potential monitoring, just described in the sources, it's pretty extensive.